evening in the Philippines and good morning in the US. Today is Wednesday, October 30th. And before I go on, here is the usual disclaimer. So, any comments or any verbiage stated in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only, to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. And I must emphasize that I am not a licensed trading advisor. And once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So with that said, the economic calendar looks like this. We have, this has already been released at 8:15 a.m. Eastern, 8:15 p.m. here in the Philippines. Now there's crude oil inventories as well. Other than that, let me see up next, what's tomorrow? I think that's gonna have a FOMC statement. Basically, they're looking at 2 a.m. So that's later today, right? Here in the Philippines. FOMC statement and the federal funds rate at 2 a.m. Thursday, so that's later today, 2 p.m. Eastern, Wednesday, right, in the US, and 2 a.m. Thursday morning here in the Philippines. That's why you might have some really not much liquid volatility, since this is what they're waiting for, right? So right now, we have some crude oil inventories at 10:30 as well. So we'll see what's going to go on here. The market is opening. We see right now a big drop. So that's around, we don't have, oh, that's the advance. This is what's coming out right now. No, that already came out. The one next coming out is 10:30. So that's why we have a move here. I don't know what that is. Let me check again, because I'm looking at the chart. Yeah, really nothing. So I don't know. It's just basically the jump in volatility in terms of the opening. So here's the naked chart. Basically have a minor down trend, right? You see this, right? So we'll see what's going to happen here. If we're going to hit some, might hit some support here, and then come back up, and let's see if it's going to continue going down. But that's where we're at right now. Overall, the market is in a uptrend, right, from way before. So we might have some correction here, or we might have a reversal, right? So let's take a look at that when we'll see what happens here. That's my naked chart. If you're looking at, if you're asking what those lines are, those are my VWAP. The VWAP is the green line, and the other ones are what we call our deviation levels. So anyways, the market's already opened. This is what we're looking at. Like I said, there was the move down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on mute. I'll probably, like I said, if I don't get a lot, at the most it's an hour and a half, but usually 1 hour. If I can get my daily profit goal of $300, since I'm trading 3 contracts, usually it's $100 per contract, right? So I don't want to be greedy at all. So we'll leave it at that. If we reach that, then I will end my webinar. That said, I'll put this in mute. I'll talk to you guys later. That was an aggressive move, so that's the reason why I took that. So I'm gonna try to be not that aggressive anymore. That was a 1.4 tick loss. So let's see. And usually I should have just held out for that, but I'm just playing the system basically up to there. So, and I don't know what's this 10 o'clock. I don't know what this is in terms of news. Basically, you see nothing until 12:30, so you don't know what the erratic movement is. Let's go check. There it is, monetary policy report. That's what it was. And also, Bank of Canada maintains overnight rate target at 1.34%. So we'll see what's going to happen in terms of the hold the steady at the Bank of Canada. So we'll see if U.S. will follow suit later today. That's the reason why we have erratic behavior. Right there, Bank of Canada. I think they're holding it. It says here, maintains overnight rate target at 1.34%. So that's what it is. So we'll hold here and see what's going on. And I had an overnight trade, which I got as well. So I might have to basically take it nice and conservative here, because I don't know, most likely the volatility will diminish. So let's wait for this erratic behavior to basically settle down. So with that trade, I had to be conservative, and I'll be conservative now. So we'll see what's going on here. I'll probably take one more trade. I already got my daily profit goal. I already took a. Oh, so let me see here. This should be around 3, 5, 10, 15. Yeah, I got my daily profit goal. Since I already took out those charges here, it didn't take one here. I don't know what happened there. But anyways, this is profit 75.75. That's okay. 112. So 15, 347. Okay, let's do this. 347.5 plus 15. Yeah, I'm well over. So it's 362 minus 45. So 317 is my, including this commissions that we're not taking out, 317.50. So with that, traders in the US and the traders in the Philippines, have a great evening. Talk to you guys tomorrow. God bless.